What's going on out there, YouTube? I know we haven't posted a video in a while, and there's a good reason behind it. We've all had some personal things going on, and we had to get taken care of. But Rusty brought us a project, another one.
Yeah. Tell this guy to quit buying stuff.
Why am I always the one bringing the projects, bud?
You didn't. You traded for this project.
Yeah, we gotta get one done first, though.
And he better keep it. YouTube, make him keep it.
No, I'm keeping this one. You don't find these very often.
This guy changes vehicles like he changes underwear.
Yeah, but
Well, tell us about it, Rusty.
that's a 1990 Dodge 318 4-speed. We plan on fixing all the body work for it. I already got everything to do it. We're gonna paint it red and black to match the camper project that we're working on now. It don't really need any interior work at all. It's just cosmetic on the outside.
Well, you did say you'd like to do it like a nice flag kind of headliner.
Yeah, I will do that. And later on down the road, we're going to put a 12 valve in it with a manual transmission behind it, but that's
Not just any ordinary transmission.
yeah, we're going to try to find an Eaton Fuller 10-speed to put behind
So
it.
this is a budget build too, isn't it?
Yeah, we're balling on a budget with this thing. We're going to try to redo this truck as cheap as possible. It's still going to be a daily driver. So just stay tuned and check it out and see what goes on with it. I mean, it won't happen overnight, but little things will happen here and there with it. It ain't a bad truck. It's got good bones, straight body, good rubber, good tire. I mean, good rims. It's a good truck.
How many miles are on it?
140.
133.
Or 133. Yeah.
For what year is it? 1990?
Yeah, 1990.
Yeah, it's in good shape.
Yeah, it's in real good shape. It's got the original windshield in it. Don't even have any cracks in it or anything. Power windows work.
And it's rare to find these trucks that's not all ate up with rust, especially in the mid-Ohio Valley where we live.
Yeah.
As you can tell, it's not exactly warm outside right now.
No, it's cold.
And it's spitting snow.
Dude, I'm out here in sandals too. I'm cold.
Well, that's your dumb fault.
Well, I thought it was gonna be quick. We'd been out here for an hour.
Well, Rusty, you want to give us a quick tour?
Give her a quick tour.
Yeah. This is it, the 1990 Dodge.
Look at the camera, bud.
Well, I am going to look at the camera too, but I've got to look and make sure we're replacing the front fender. We got bed panels for the bed sides. Probably going to keep these wheels and tires for now. It's going to be red and black.
How are you gonna do the red and black?
I'm going to leave the top part of the, right here where this gray line is. All the red's going to be red still, and then black down.
Gotcha.
And the wheels, we'll do the wheels black. Mirrors will be black. Toolbox will be black. These will be black. I'm going to try to either put nice axle dumps on it or stacks. One of the two. Whatever I find first.
I like axle dumps myself.
Yeah, for an old truck like this, stacks would be good.
It's already got the towing package on it. Tail lights are good, tailgate's good, bed's in really good shape on the inside. It's got a lot of potential. It really does. Bumpers are good and straight, not beat up. And it purrs like a kitten. I mean, it runs really good. It's got 318 4-speed in it. It's no speed demon or anything, but it's a powerhouse. This side of the bed really ain't going to be too bad. I already got the patch panels for it. Boom. It'll look good when it's done.
That is 3 sexy rides right there, man.
Huh?
That's 3 sexy rides.
You want me to fire it up and let them hear it or what?
Have at it, bud.
You could have fired her up, Cody.
Warm my feet up.
Warm your feet up, bud. Got old push button start on this jewel. She fires right up every time. Don't run too bad. Wipers work. Windshield washer fluid works.
Dude, you just got me with it. Yeah.
Everything works on it, man. The interior's in perfect shape.
Even got trailer brakes.
Yeah, it's got the trailer brakes set up in it already. And we're ready to go.
We even got that there redneck CB antennas.
Got my gear keeper right here. The mic's under the seat.
You ought to go ahead and put it on there.
I will later. Yep, it ain't bad, man. It's a solid old truck.
Let me shut that door.
And the one thing about it, the red he was talking about, is it's victory red like my truck.
Yeah, it's gonna be bright red.
Yeah,
like
I
that.
like that car.
So just picture that collar on that, because the camper is going to be victory red and black as well,
Almost like the two-tone on it there. Like do where it's silver black.
and do the
and then
bottom part red.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That'd
we,
look good too, wouldn't it? But paint the grill and everything black, bumpers black, wheels black.
If you just do what you want, I'm just going to help you.
Mirrors black, smoke out the marker lights and the tail lights and all that stuff.
and also behind them right there
Yeah,
is another project.
yeah. We gotta put fenders on this.
Yeah, with a weld a bracket. Look, not too much.
Oh, and I am gonna put rock lights on it eventually.
You're going to do a lift, aren't you?
Yeah, probably 4-inch lift.
What size tires?
35s or?
It's got 33s on it now. I like 37s. I'd like to be able to fit 37s underneath of it.
Why
That's what I
not?
want on mine.
Why not just go ahead and go with 38s? Have an even number.
Go big or go home, Todd.
Yeah, 38s.
They can look good at
I'm
38s.
just trying to
on it.
think. We're leaving everything stock on it that we can. Anthony had a pretty good idea. We might try to put some LED lights in the eyes to where when I turn my headlights on, the eyeballs light up red on this thing. The grill's gonna be black, but these inserts right here will be red. Now all this will be black around the headlight assembly and everything. But it's a work in progress, man. I just got
And-
it yesterday.
You know, we're also going to update the wiring, make sure it's good and safe too.
Yeah.
After all, it is a 30-year-old truck.
Yeah, it's in good shape for 30 years old. It's been taken care of, other than they didn't wash it very much.
You better keep the freaking thing.
Oh, I will.
So you heard it. This is another project we got, and I guarantee it ain't gonna be the last, because springtime I get my boat out of storage and we'll be working on it too. You wait till you see what we're gonna do with that.
Yeah, we're gonna paint everything to match that way. No matter what truck we use to pull stuff with, it'll match, other than Cody's. Cody's gotta be the oddball here.
I'm not painting mine, bud.
And his is brand new. I don't blame him for painting it, but
But we are gonna do a lot of stuff with Cody's truck.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah.
getting lifted 6 to 8. I'd like an 8-inch lift with 37s on it.
Got to turn loose some of that moldy money in them
Oh
pockets.
no, I got
yeah.
24s on it right now. They haven't seen that yet, I don't think.
No, they haven't. We'll have to do a video on that.
and then we're gonna put. He's only got one single Black Widow exhaust running back it now. Eventually, we're gonna put duals on it. It'll sound a lot better. And then I don't know what else you were wanting to do to your truck.
The lift, aftermarket bumpers,
Center console with TV and sound subwoofers. And
aftermarket headlights, tail lights, new grill.
there's a bunch.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna be working on Anthony's truck as well, putting a lift on it.
And my truck didn't look like that when I got it. I've done a lot of work to it prior to ever starting the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like a grandpa truck when I got it.
Yeah.
Yes, it was. I remember it.
But yeah, that's
We
our
like cool stuff. We like different. We like to be different.
Yeah, my wife thinks I'm stupid for going with an older square body style, but you can't beat them, man. And 10 years from now, you won't be able to find these trucks. And if you do, they're gonna want 10 grand for them.
They want that now, dude.
Yeah,
Pretty
even
much.
for the ones with diesels in them, and then you
Oh,
put an
yeah.
Eaton in it.
Oh, diesel, that price just goes up, bud.
Yeah.
But let us know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Tell us whether you think we should stack it, axle dump it, you know, whether we should two-tone it, or leave the factory kind of look to it. Just paint it red and black with the factory style. You know, and
Oh, I'm just fixing that right there, dude. Looks good now.
You're retarded.
but anyhow, this will be it for the video today. You know, so again, sorry we haven't posted in a while.
Yeah, just
But-
been busy.
Good things are coming. And right now it's also been just weird weather up here in the Mid-Ohio Valley.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing another camper video shortly. Like I said, it's just one day it's nice outside, and next day it's cold. It's hard to
Raining or
Film.
Snowing, raining.
Yeah, it's hard to do any filming when it's crappy outside. Once spring hits, though, we'll be posting videos all the time.
Oh, yeah. Well, we'll get some more up. We're getting ready to take some days off, too. So
Yeah.
Do you think we should buy that jet ski?
depends on what's wrong with it and stuff.
Let us know if you think we should get a jet ski for the channel too.
Yep.
That'd be fun, man. They are fun. Getting pulled with a tube.
Oh, yeah.
But until next time,
We're the Bearded Nuts, and
We'll
we're
see
out.
you guys.
peace.
Peace.